Good day, sir, ma'am. My name is Marisa Rivera, Filipino, 36 years old. I am married and have 4 kids. My husband is taking good care of our children and manage our sari-sari store. About my working experience, I work in Philippines in Macau, and my duties and responsibilities are taking care of 2 cats, cooking, cleaning the house, wash and iron the clothes. I know how to cook Chinese dishes like steamed fish and meat, stir-fried vegetables and boiled. I also know how to cook the Chinese soup like lotus root soup, corn soup. I know how to speak and understand basic Cantonese language. I also love taking care of babies and children. I will give them food and milk on time. I will take them back and tutoring. I am hardworking and trustworthy. I am willing to do the tasks and responsibilities, and I will finish my contract with you. Thank you.